If your iPhone camera is showing black screen, this can happen in the camera app itself or even inside the other apps like WhatsApp, Instagram or Snapchat. No matter which app it's happening in, don't panic. In most cases, this is not a hardware problem. It's usually just a temporary software glitch. This method works on almost all iPhone models and it does not delete any data. Your photos, videos and apps will stay completely safe. Alright, let's do this together. Just follow the button presses exactly as I say them. For iPhone without a home button, here are the steps. First, press the volume up button. Now immediately press the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button or power button. Keep holding it. Do not let it go even if you see slide to power off or even if you see the screen goes black. Keep holding. After a few seconds, you'll see the Apple logo appear. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release the side button. That's it. Now your camera should work. After reset, unlock your iPhone, open the camera app. Also test the camera inside WhatsApp, Instagram or Snapchat. In most cases, the camera will now be working normally. Both the front and back camera should be fixed. If it didn't work the first time, that's completely fine. Repeat the hard reset one more time and make sure the timing is correct. If your camera is still black after doing this correctly, then it may be a hardware issue, especially if the iPhone was dropped or exposed to water recently. If this video helped you, leave a like, and if you're still stuck, comment your iPhone model below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.